Growthink presents Writing the Industry Analysis section of your business plan. The industry analysis describes the landscape in which a company is operating. It serves to prove to the reader that there is a genuine need in the market for the company's products and services, that the market is large enough to support substantial sales by the company, and that the industry parameters support the company's strategy. A good starting point is to discuss the marketplace in which the company's products and services are offered, and the size of this marketplace. Critical to this analysis is determining the relevant market size. The relevant market size equals a company's sales if it were to capture 100% of its specific niche of the market. For instance, if a company develops billing software for private medical practices, the relevant market size clearly is not the trillion-dollar healthcare market. Rather, it is the size, in units and dollars, of billing software sales to private medical practices, since it is these products against which the company competes. Arriving at the relevant market size is rarely easy and often requires peeling many layers off a huge total industry size. Once the plan has defined the relevant market size, it should discuss industry trends and how those trends relate to the company. Questions to answer include: how has the relevant market size changed over the past 1 to 5 years? What is the projected growth of the relevant market? What factors will affect this growth? General economic factors? Changing regulatory conditions? Changing consumer needs? Etc. It is important to remember that the industry analysis is not merely a research report. Each fact, figure, and projection should support the company's prospects for success. For example, consider a market research firm that relies exclusively on opt-in responses. This company's business plan would not only explain new and proposed privacy regulations, but how this supports the company's long-term competitive position. In addition, the plan should explain how the company would overcome trends that do not support the company. For example, showing how the company will succeed in an uncertain economic climate relieves investor concern and will enhance the success of the business plan. While the facts and figures in the industry analysis should be presented to support the company, it is critical that the data presented be believable and verifiable, as investors will conduct extensive due diligence on the business plan. Even though the business plan includes specific sections for customer and competitive analysis, an overview of these two parameters should also be included in the industry analysis. Regarding customers, the industry analysis should discuss who the key customer groups are and the size of each. The specific needs, wants, and demographic profiles of the customers in which the company will target will be detailed in the customer analysis. Regarding competition, the industry analysis should discuss the key categories of competitors and the general competitive landscape. The competitive analysis section will detail the key competitors. The industry analysis contains many facts, figures, and future projections. For this data to be credible, it should be sourced through an independent research firm whenever possible. The opinions of the company's management are simply inadequate to convince a sophisticated investor, and reliance on anecdotal data can greatly detract from the overall credibility of the plan. For general market sizes and trends, Growthink suggests citing at least 2 independent research firms. Most companies compete in multiple industries. The company that sells billing software to private medical practices competes within the healthcare industry and the software industry. In addition to focusing on defining and assessing the relevant market as detailed above, the industry analysis should include descriptions of all the markets in which the company competes. By taking this advice into account, you will create a much more persuasive industry analysis section. For assistance with your business plan, please visit us at www.growthink.com.